Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today I will show you how you can disable the quick launch. So I mean about this feature when you double press the power key. Oh, let's make it faster. So as you can see, when you make it on the lock screen on, when you are in the normal menu. Oh, sorry guys, I have wooden hands. Okay, here it is. The camera is going to be opened, right? But if you want to turn it off, you have to simply tap on the settings and then click on the search button and type side key. It's in the advanced features. And as you can see, to turn it off, you have to simply tap right here. And after that, when you double press this power key, as you can see, it is not working, right? So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.